my mom. What made her special? She is special because she always makes me feel her love and care. She played different roles in my life. She wakes up early to prepare breakfast and my school lunch. She sent me to school every morning and picked me up in the afternoon. She was my first teacher and now she is my private tutor since I started Hindi. She was my playmate when my little brothers were not yet born. She is also my best friend and proud to say that she knows almost everything about me. There's a lot of things to say about my mom, and a minute of talking is not enough to describe her. No one in this world can do such things on me aside from my special person in my life. It is just you, Mom. Thank you and love you, Mommy.